It's Saturday. I finished work at 6:30. It is kicking on for 7:30, 20 to 8 now. I've just arrived at tonight's park up. Wee little Lingo, there's wee little Lingo. Mate Lingo's gonna have a night out tonight. And then tomorrow we are taking a tent. We are having a much needed tent night. I've been neglecting my tent nights this year. I don't know what's happened to us. I think it's just getting older. And having this just looks the luxury. Gan soft. Wimping out. Wimpy and soft. I'm only 57. But not tomorrow. I'm not bothered about the weather. I am heading up a Northumbrian hill. Me and you, not just me, you guys are coming along, Oh yeah, come along with Donna. We'll have a great time, as we always do. Yeah, because what's not to love about camping in tents, yeah, and then big handbags, and then friends, yeah, and coming along with friends, and yeah, oh. Right, I'll get in my little pit. We'll have a nice van night, a couple of cheekies, crack back and relax, man. It's what it's about, isn't it? Hold on, I'll show you the state. There you go. There's me teenager's bedroom. Literally just launched everything in there. I've even had look at that. Even had a snack noodle try and escape as I was taking some corners quite fast. Hey, right. Look at the state of it. I best get tidied up. Thanks for tuning in. Honestly, you're the best. You really are the best. I couldn't wish for a nicer bunch of online YouTubey, Facebooky pals. Oh, and just a quickie while I'm chattering on, I've got a buy me a coffee page open. If anybody wants to support the channel, happy days. Pop across to me, buy me a coffee. Unfortunately, a coffee costs £5, but if you've got a spare £5 and you want to support the channel, so yeah, can I just thank Jimmy? Thank you for the coffee. You know, yes, nice one, Jimmy. And can I thank Ruth Bolton? Ruth Bolton, thank you for the coffees. Thank you, Ruth. Much appreciated. And I would like to thank Maria. Thank you for the coffees. Thanks very much. Oh, and there was one more. I'll have to come back. Sarah Blakemore. Yeah, I'm so sorry, Sarah. Sarah, thank you for the coffee. Thank you, everyone. Thanks very much. It's really appreciated. Cheers. Morning, guys. Vandor views this morning. Exactly as forecast, and this should burn off in the next couple of hours, and it's going to turn into a nice afternoon. I firmly believe that. Ground underfoot shall be a bit moist. One's 360 dry socks. Yay! Coming up the hills, socks. Yes, we're coming up the hills, Donna. Taking a pair of Nalgene's as well, and I'll explain that later. They are quite lightweight. I'll be looking at what, 150 grams for them. But I'm just going to sit here with a brew and enjoy me view. Happy flipping bank holiday Sunday. Well, hello, we're out the Lingo. Got big handbag on. And we are heading up one of my favourite valleys in Northumberland, in Upper Coquetdale. I haven't been here for about 3 years. I've done a lot of camping in this area, obviously. I do a lot of camping everywhere. I just don't always film them or put them online. But you're getting the full Monty tonight. Well, not hopefully the full Monty. I'll be keeping my breeks on. Lovely sounds of nature. That I love. Loads better than squeaking birds at like 4:30 in the morning. Going, woo, 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 look, it's another day. So I have a plan in my head We'll just see what happens. Hey, so there we go, that's just about 20 minutes hiking, 25. We've got this lovely feeling of remoteness already. I've got very, very happy memories of this valley. I was actually looking back on one of my old videos and it was 5 years, literally to the day yesterday, when I think I did one of, so at the moment I was 29 dead sheep. That's the 29 dead sheep, wasn't it? Because we had we had a good old dumping of snow that winter and it took the valleys ages to defrost. So when the snow had eventually melted, all the dead sheep were uncovered. And whoa, that was a poo-wee. Oh, that was a whiffy old walking camp. And I only brought 600 mils of water. Of sheep meals, left, right and centre, strewn around the stream. There's the little ones, you know, up there. Hey, hi. Oh. Obstacle number 1. And for obstacle number 1 today, we have bog. But someone has been and solved the problem. They've had the council round. Council's come in with the engineers and installed a bridge. Hurrah! Yay for the small bridges of the world. That hold me weight. Hey, there, and Chihuahua. Right, so we're at the splitting of the burns. That's the one we're following. I've camped up there before. That was a misty one. I remember that the fog came down about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And I was sort of new to this area, so I just had to pitch up. It went pitch black. And I didn't have any water with us, but I didn't have much. Seems to be a reoccurring theme, doesn't it? But it was the cloud came out on. Well, I'll just tell you as we're walking. But the fog came down that thick and fast, and it just dulled everything. So I sat in my tent, swallowing spit, yeah. Then I could just hear this tiny little trickle, and there's a little spring up there. So I just followed my ears, managed to fill up at this little spring that was coming out the ground. And listen to Nick Cave for the rest of the night. All the best memories are camping and music. Right, so that's the way we're heading. Or we're heading. I've had a look at my OS map. I've been that way before, so I might as well have a look up here. We'll see what's up there, eh? It's only 4 o'clock. It's not sunset till 9. Right, excuse any wind noise, I can't be bothered to take my bag off. That was the hill I'd intended on camping. This is the hill I fancied having a look at. I've camped down in the valley there at least twice, and always looked up at that, where is it, that little hut thing there. It's just a shepherd's hut, nothing special. Oh, decisions. There's one of the Border Ridge refuge huts over there. About the mile max. If it was straight, it'd be half a mile. Yeah, I gave it 360. And this is why I absolutely love Northumberland. There's no one else up here. This is all mine tonight. Total change of plan. I'm heading there, which is exactly 180 degrees opposite from my original plan. This is why I love coming out by myself. I can just pure wing it. But I have looked at this on a map for blinking years and thought I'm going to do that hill one day. So however, today is the day.
Beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. When I climbed down and be set free, she took me in again. There's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world.
And this is going to be home for tonight. Got a nice feel, level grass. Look at the grass. Oh, look. It's springy, it's spongy. I could have left the mat at home. Top of the hill. Got sunrise, 5:15 over there. Sunset, 9 o'clock over there. That'll do, the Donna.
Find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me, took the blues back again. There's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world. Oh, there's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world. When I go to cross that river, she is comfort by my side. When I try to understand, she just opens up her head. stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Bound down and threw away the hours of her garden and her son. So I tried to warn her and turned to see her weep. 40 days and 40 nights and it's still coming down on me. There's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world. Oh, there's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world. Oh, there's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world. Oh, there's a big hot sun beating on the big people in a big hot world.
Interesting things in the area, interesting nightlife options in the area. Number one, touching the cairn. Yay! Oh. Knackered now. Hi honey, I'm home. Whoa. Ugh. And relax. Woo. Right, so I'll probably not be taking much more vid. Met Michael up the hills. Michael, who I know off Instagram. At the minute my mind's gone blank and I've totally forgot his Instagram channel name. I will put it down here. Michael, if you're watching this, thank you for lending me that for to read up a hill tonight. That is brilliant. Thank you ever so much. That's it. Hopefully we'll get a good sunset tonight. And I'm beaming. I'm literally beaming at life. These are the days you remember. You'll not remember the days when you've sat in the house, flicking between the channels and skipping past the adverts or whatever normal people do. You just remember these days. And the pictures with a million views. And the wild goats nearby. And the flies on the... Oh God, the flies on the ceiling. Now, you're unsure if you've caught. And if you have, they're probably dead in between your fingers. Oh, I didn't catch that one. That's it, got it. So these are the lush days you'll remember. Catching flies in your tent so that they don't fly in your mouth when you're asleep. And looking for the remnants of crisps. I'll see you in the morning. We'll hope for a good one. I know it's going to rain tomorrow. The route I've took has actually got us closer to the van. I'm probably only about a half an hour off the van. Camped here. It's just been lush, man. Lush. Right, there's the goats playing out. Oh, I can't see them. There's a couple there. And there's more over there. That's where I was last night. That's where I'm heading now. It is, hold on. Morning guys, it's 10 to 6 in the morning. 5:49. I was going to try and beat that blinking rain, but it's just kicking in now. So I'll beat the worst of it. Decent sleep. 5:49, well, it'll be 5:51 now. I think I'm just over that hill there. literally 30 minutes off the car. I'll see you down there. Oh, so that is me back to the car in record time. You don't realise how high you've gone till you come back down. A little bit sketchy, that. I think we're camped up on about 450 metres, so that's 450 metres to come back down this morning. A little bit of drizzle on rucksack cover, a little bit of drizzle on Donna, not much. Looking splendid for us as always, darlings. I'm going to go and get myself parked up there, have a brew, enjoy the view, and get myself home. It's only 6:30 in the morning. I feel like a burglar. I don't even leave for work this early when I'm on sharp shift. Right, I feel like a burglar. Thanks very much for tuning in. Thank you guys from me and me quiff here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's lush. Oh, still single, Donna. I don't know how. Thanks very much for tuning in. Thank you. Thanks for pressing that play button. If you can stick a thumbs up on, thank you. That always helps the channel grow. If you've got the time to leave a comment, again, I'll always get back to you. And thanks for taking the time to leave a comment, if you can. And anybody new watching this, if you want to stick a sub on, hey, join the family. Nice little community on here. It is. Everyone's lush. Right. I'll catch you on the next one. Big love.